This is my bike. This is my bike. This is my bike. This is my bike. Time to remove some plastics. Coming to the park. Oh yes. Oh. Like this and this. Which one is better? Suzuki. Yeah. Glass. The same. Trum, plastics done. Look at this beauty. Another one. No, looking just great. Looking just great. Looks like I made a mistake. So this plastic should go under this glass. Look at this now. I got the plastic. I really got it. It's so good. Second mirror. New plastic. There you go. Collect. No. Let's put another side. I forgot to tell you, I got a superpowers. I'm gonna finish this plastic in 2 seconds. Look at this. Param param, and finish. Hi, it's Future Me. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate. I spent so much time to do this video and I hope so you really enjoy. So that's how bike looks now.